Can I change the keyboard shortcuts for tab switching in Firefox? How do I reassign the keyboard shortcuts for Firefox? I want to use Ctrl plus right/left to switch tabs. Is there a plugin for this? If Firefox doesn't natively support this,
here is what worked for me in March 2016, Firefox 45. Install the keyconfig add-on from the keyconfig download page and restart. The add-on file is unsigned, so to be able to install it, I first had to enter about column config in the address bar and set install.signatures.required to false. Go to Add-ons and GT, Keyconfig and GT, Preferences. There are no previous tab and next tab entries by default, but you can add them by clicking Add a new key and using the following code snippets, thanks to the author. The global checkbox can be left unchecked. Next tab, browser.tabcontainer.advanced selected tab 1, true. Previous tab, browser.tabcontainer.advanced selected tab -1, true. Assign whatever keys to the next tab and previous tab actions. The customizable shortcuts add-on didn't work for me, as it didn't have entries for next tab and previous tab.
Auto hotkey is the answer. I tried those Firefox extensions, but they can't handle all the actions I wanted. Auto hotkey can. Try something like this in a awk file.
The keyconfig add-on for Firefox allows you to program most tab selection keyboard binding.
The Swift Tabs add-on even lets you assign single key shortcut for tab switching.
If you want to support the channel, press on consider subscribing.